Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to register for my favorite online editing software, Canva. If you've never heard of it, it's basically a website and they have a mobile app where you can edit and design graphics, videos, in different ratios for the different formats and websites like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, logo makers. It has so many different templates and things like that. But today I'm just going to show you how to register and just skim over some of the features that you have and the different plans that you can get free or paid through Canva. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to canva.com and it'll take you to the main page. The main page is going to show you just basically what they're about and all that good stuff. You're going to see, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see presentations like PowerPoint style, video, Instagram posts, such, and different designs just to show you what it would look like. And if you wanted to, before you even log in, to design anything, let's say you wanted to do a postcard. Simple. All you got to do is type in postcard. And you'll have different types of postcards, but when you click on one, it'll bring up a blank canvas. See, Canva, canvas. It'll bring it up for you so you can get started before you even really sign in. So let's just go back to the home page and I'll show you. So basically you want to go to sign up on the right hand corner. If you have a Google account attached to your browser or just a Google account or period, you can sign up with that, or you can use your Facebook, or you can just sign up with your email directly instead of having it log in through that. So for our purposes, we'll just we'll click sign up with email. So you'll put your first name. Let's say my name is Sam. Well, and then I'll put my email, sam@yahoo.com. Password, skiggly moogly. Right? That's a strong password. We'll click get started. You get the gist. So that's how you create the account. And so we'll just fast forward a little bit to after you set your account. I'll show you what it looks like. Alrighty, so I'm logged into my account and this will be just like for you. I have my logo up here, so that'll show that I'm logged in. It's to IP Man, and this is just another group that a team that I'm connected to, and I can go over that later on. But so it'll have a section where you can see your designs, the ones that you worked on, and the one that you currently have. It'll list them there, so you can go straight to them. And of course, it'll just kind of show like the different templates that you can use. You have, kind of like these toggles that you can go to directly to all your designs right there. You can go to the projects that are shared with you through an email link. Like I was mentioning, content planners. You can create a team of your own, folders, trash. It's pretty self-explanatory and very easy to use, very streamlined. I don't know. You get what I'm saying. You can type it in here, whatever exactly you're looking for. Or you can just create a design from scratch here and actually put the dimensions in yourself, which is pretty handy. So let's just do a regular banner. And let's just so I can show you what it looks like. So on the left hand side, you'll see some templates, and basically I'll just rush through it. But if you click on these templates, you can edit them. And you can make the corrections that you need, to make it custom to you. But you can search through them, and you could even like niche down the templates to something specific. Let's say you have a bakery. You wanted to find a bakery template. What do you think you do? You type in bakery, and they couldn't find any because I probably didn't spell it right. I did, didn't I? I didn't. I did. Well, let's do another one. Cooking. Okay, no. Let's find another one. Vote. Boom. Voting style templates. So that it can niche down exactly into what you were looking for. So yeah, it's pretty nice, pretty good. Alrighty, so if you want to check or change your membership status to unlock, the premiums and things like that, you would go to your logo or your account option here. You'll click on, you'll click on account settings. Oopsies. You'll click on account settings, and then you're able to look down and see your subscription. You'll see my subscription is Canva Pro. You can always change that to the yearly, which is $119.40 or $9.95 a month, and you'll have access to all the fonts, all the templates, everything, all the pictures. It just unlocks all that Canva can do for you if you want to do that as well. So I just wanted to show you the fundamentals of signing on to Canva. I really recommend it, especially if you're starting out. Don't stress. Canva is very, very user-friendly. It'll be very easy to follow along, and it's a good place to start. And we're gonna have more videos related to Canva coming up very soon, so we can work through, sizing shapes and layering things and showing you alignment and the key important things that I've learned about that. So, alrighty, you have a good one, and I'll see you on the next video, okay?